Hello, my dear students, and welcome all in my lecture series. I am Mr. Pradeep Kachia, Head Department of Biology, Dr. Subha Science College, Junagadh, and we discuss in Wildlife Biology lecture series. Our fifth number national park is Ranthambore National Park. So let's we start discuss in detail of Ranthambore National Park. So Ranthambore National Park is one of the tiger reserve in India. Ranthambore National Park is hold the significant status in the tourism sector of the India with its distinct class and charms. However, the Ranthambore National Park is not one of the biggest national park of the India. यहाँ पे क्या बोला है कि वो सिग्निफिकेंटली वहाँ उसका स्टेटस है, ठीक है। टूरिज्म सेक्टर में भी उसका अच्छा मतलब टूरिज्म सेक्टर में भी वो फेमस है और वो वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट नेशनल पार्क है इंडिया का। बट श्योरली इट इज़ द मोस्ट फेमस वन situated in the vicinity of the अरवल्ली हिल्स एंड विंध्याचल प्लेट्यूज। जो अरवल्ली एंड विंध्याचल जो उसका हिल्स है वहाँ पे वो मोस्ट फेमस है ये रणथंबोर नेशनल पार्क। द रणथंबोर फॉरेस्ट spread over an area of 1334 square kilometer with having the 392 square kilometer of the area as the national park। वहाँ पे जो टोटल एरिया है 1334 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर, उसमें से 392 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर एरिया है वो नेशनल पार्क का है। This the tiger in Ranthambore National Park is just resting nearby the water ponds. We can see the our national animal highly reserved for the natural habitat. We can just discuss this nearby the water reservoir. It is a natural habitat, highly revered for the natural habitat to the significant number of the Royal Bengal tiger. The Ranthambore Tiger Reserve is very popular among the wildlife lovers for its diurnal tiger, which means the tourist can easily spot the tiger during the daytime safari visit. We can discuss in a particular sanctuary area or national park sanctuary area in some other for some of the tourism for the some particular area is called safari. In safari area we can easily spot the tiger in any animal or particular for national park we can see. So Ranthambore National Park is one of the biggest and most renowned national park in northern India. The park is located in Savai Madhopur district of southern Rajasthan, which is about the 130 km from Jaipur. It consists as one of the famous and former hunting ground of the Maharajas of Jaipur. यहाँ पे जो दो सेंटेंस दिया है कि वो बिगेस्ट नेशनल पार्क है नॉर्थन इंडिया का, एंड सेकेंड मीन्स वो सवाई माधोपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, वहाँ से वो साउदर्न राजस्थान का पार्ट है, वहाँ से नियर बाई एरिया में है 130 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम द जयपुर। द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन रणथंबोर जयपुर टू रणथंबोर इज 130 किलोमीटर्स एंड इज द फेमस ground hunting ground for the Maharajas of Jaipur. It is spread over an area of 392 square kilometer along with its nearby sanctuary like the Mansingh Sanctuary and the Kaila Devi Sanctuary. The park is majority famous for its tiger, and it's one of the best location in India to see the majestic predator in the natural habitat. So we can see this sentence. So said total area of the national park is 392 square kilometer, particular national park area. And in the national park area, 2 sanctuary are there. One of the Mansingh sanctuary and Mansingh sanctuary, and second one the Kaila Devi sanctuary is the uh, uh, Rajasthan, particular southern Rajasthan area. The park is majority famous for the tiger and over the best location in India. वहाँ पे जो टाइगर का अगर लोकेशन नेचुरल हैबिटेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो परफेक्ट लोकेशन है. और मैजेस्टिक प्रीडेटर ऑफ इट्स, जो मैजेस्टिक मतलब वो जो प्रीडेटर है उसको देख के भी अच्छा लगता है, तो वैसा मैजेस्टिक जो प्रीडेटर है उसको वो नेचुरल हैबिटेट में वी कैन सी. It is also counted for the famous heritage site because of the pictorial ruins that do not the wildlife park. We can see the tiger swim in the river, and we can we call it's a natural habitat. Ranthambore National Park, or Ranthambore, is a national park in northern India. Initially covering the 282 km square at the time was the form the Ranthambore was established at the Savai Madhopur Game Sanctuary in 1955 by the government of India, and was declared one of the Project Tiger Reserve in 1973. वहाँ का जो एरिया है वो सवाई माधोपुर गेम सेंचुरी इन 1955 से वहाँ पे था, बट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज ए टाइगर रिजर्व डिक्लेयर्ड इन 1973. Ranthambore became a national park in 1st November 1980. In 1984, the adjacent forests were declared as a Savoi Mansingh Sanctuary and Kaladevi Sanctuary. In 1992, the Tiger Reserve was expanded and includes the adjoining Keladevi Sanctuary in the north and Savai Mansingh Sanctuary to the south along with other forests. Today it covers an area of the 1334 square kilometer in Tiger Reserve area, also National Park area, Kaladevi Sanctuary, Savai Mansingh Sanctuary is covered the 1334 square kilometer in India. So let's brief journey of the Ranthambore National Park. In 1995, the reserve was earlier being established as a Savai Madhopur Gaming Sanctuary by the Government of India. Then, 1973, later it was declared as one of the Project Tiger Reserve in India. Then, 1980, Ranthambore became as a national park, declared as a national park. Then, 1984, the adjacent forests were declared as a Savai Mansingh Sanctuary and Kaladevi Sanctuary. And 1991, the Tiger Reserve was enlarged to include Savai Mansingh and Kaladevi Sanctuary. So this one is the brief journey by developing for the Tiger Reserve, particular this Ranthambore National Park area by 1955 to 1991 and last one 2020. So the Ranthambore National Park is best known for the tiger population, and it's one of the perfect destination in India to witness the majestic predator of the jungle living naturally. It is the only reserve in the region where the tiger can be easily witnessed at the point of time. Thus is the reason why the region is superbly famous for the tiger tours. दिस सेंटेंस में क्या बोला जाता है कि रणथंबोर नेशनल पार्क इज़ द बेस्ट नॉन फॉर द टाइगर पॉपुलेशन. वहाँ का जो रणथंबोर नेशनल पार्क है वहाँ पे टाइगर पॉपुलेशन काफ़ी सारी मात्रा में है. ठीक है. और वो परफेक्ट डेस्टिनेशन है। वहाँ पे हम आई विटनेस, हम वहाँ पे टाइगर को लाइव उसका नेचुरल हैबिटेट में वी कैन सी। This is the one of the fort are there. This fort is the Ranthambore Fort. We can see this is the fort is the oldest time by Maharaja's time, king time. This fort is the very we can look very beautiful. So Ranthambore Fort is located in the Ranthambore National Park, situated near the Savai Madhopur. The place was used by Maharajas of Jaipur for hunting, which was stopped after independence. The fort has now been listed in UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2013. Mostly Rajput were the rulings can, but it is was rules by Delhi Sultanate, मुगल्स, मराठास एंड द ब्रिटिश। तो ये जो फोर्ट है वहाँ सवाई माधोपुर जो एरिया में है, रणथंभौर एरिया में, वो महाराजा ऑफ जयपुर हंटिंग, वहाँ पे हंटिंग के जो ग्राउंड थे वहाँ उसके लिए वहाँ पे एक फोर्ट था और वो बेस्ट पॉइंट था और यूनेस्को ने उसको वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट डिक्लेयर किया है। और वहाँ पे अगर देखा जाए तो दिल्ली सल्तनत, मुगल्स, मराठास एंड ब्रिटिश उस टाइम से ये पोर्ट है। नाउ वी कैन डिस्कस अबाउट द फ्लोरा एंड फोना ऑल्सो। राइट नाउ we discuss in Ranthambore area particular by what is the situation of the biodiversity. So we can 40 species of the mammal we can see in there. 32 and 320 species of the birds, 40 species of the reptiles. So very good very good population of the reptiles are there, 40 species of the mammal also, 320 species of the bird. So bird population is also very good, 2 species of the amphibian species also we can see there, and 50 species of the butterfly. So we can assume that the biodiversity is very much, and 300 species of the plants also. That's why 300 species of the plant are there. That's why the some bird species, migratory birds also there, some reptile species are also we can see, and some butterfly species. So this biodiversity is a vice versa to help each other. So if we can think to visit the safari or Ranthambore National Park, so safari timing in the Ranthambore National Park is the safari in the Ranthambore can be experienced through the different accessible zone, and the timing for the vary in summer and winter. Check out the table below. You can see the 1st October to 31st October morning trip is the 7 am to 10:30 am, and evening trip is 2:30 pm to 6 pm. Second one is the 1st November to 31st January. Timing for the morning trip is 7 am to 10:30 pm. Am, and evening trip is 2 pm to 5:30 pm. And 1st February to 31st March is 6:30 am morning time to 1:30 am, and evening trip is 2:30 pm to 6 pm. And last one is the 1st April to 15 May is the 6 am to 9:30 am, and 3 pm to 6:30 pm is the safari timing for the Ranthambore National Park. And other time we can that can be close that time. Is the population of some mammals under the tiger, leopard, striped hyenas, sambar, deer, chital, nilgai, common or Hanuman langurs, macaws, jackal, jungle cats, caracals, sloth bears, black buck, ruffed tailed hare, Indian wild boar, chinkara, common plain civet, or tawny cat. Common yellow bats, desert cat, etc. famous for the diurnal tiger. So we can assume the very much biodiversity are there, and some big animals in herbivores and carnivores also. In bird diversity, in the total, a list of 272 species have been documented. In the most important birds in the Ranthambore includes the grey-leg goose, woodpecker, Indian grey hornbill, common kingfisher, bee-eater, cuckoos, parakeet, Asian plum swift, owl, nightjar, pigeon, dove, crags, snipes, sandpiper, gulls, gulls, terns, great crested crabs, eagles, darters, cormorants, orioles, cuckoos, drake, minivets, drongos, flycatcher, iros, woodstrike. So this is a biodiversity like common myna, falcons, pipits, bayas, sparrow, finches, wagtails. This is the biodiversity or bird diversity of the Ranthambore National Park. Best time to visit the Ranthambore National Park is November to March is the main tourism season for the Ranthambore National Park, as all the safari gods remain open in the time of period. Ranthambore National Park remains closed during the monsoon season from July to mid October. But the tourist can also visit during this time, as a few gates are partially open. For the wildlife photographers, summer it is the best time to visit Ranthambore uh, because the chances of sighting the tiger are high during summer. At each tiger leave their caves in search for water. So best time to visit is by photographer also. So best time to visit for his photograph for wildlife photographer for the summer, because that time टाइगर क्या होता है कि वो उसके कैव्स को छोड़ के जहाँ पे वाटर स्पॉट रखा हुआ है उसके बाद वहाँ पे वाटर ड्रिंक करने के लिए वहाँ पे आते हैं, तो उसको साइटिंग इजीली हो जाता है. That's why. How to reach Ranthambore? If we can think to visit the Ranthambore National Park by air, Jaipur being the nearest airport to reach Ranthambore is simply at 180 kilometers from the distance from the reserve area. By rail, Ranthambore National Park is around 11 kilometers away from the Sawai Madhopur railway station. Is the lies from, on the Delhi to Mumbai trunk route, so we can easily go to by train. And by road, Ranthambore is the connected by the road. It is the best advisable to here car taxi to reach the Sawai Madhopur to Kota. Ranthambore mega highway is only 1.5 kilometers away. That's why by bus or by road very easy we can reach to Ranthambore National Park. If we think visit the Ranthambore National Park, its nearby place are interested to Ranthambore. Trinetra Ganesh Temple is situated inside the famous Ranthambore Fort. In the inner side of the Ranthambore Fort, Trinetra Ganesh Temple is the oldest Ganesh shrine in Rajasthan. The popular temple in Ranthambore was built by King Hamir Wu, dreamed to Lord Ganesha before the finding an ideal him with three eyes, Trinetra, in the fort. That's why the Trinetra Ganesh temple is the famous by inside of this fort, and it's famous for the tourist also. This port we can see in the particular background area, and we can see some peoples also visit, or so many people's cloud visit this port. This port is the Ranthambore fort. This is the ancient fort located just 30 km from the Sawai Madhopur railway station, found in 944 AD, and initially named is the Ranth Ranath Pavan Ghar, which means a place of Rajput warriors. जहाँ पे जो फाइटर थे, राजपूत फाइटर थे, उसका जो रंथ भवन घर है, वो वहाँ पे उसका नाम क्या दिया गया है कि राजपूत वॉरियर्स, प्लेस ऑफ है राजपूत वॉरियर्स. द रणथंबोर फोर्ट was the territory of the most famous Ranthambore tigers, Machli, who died a few years ago. The tiger lovers, especially the fans of Machli, who was the better known as the Queen Ranthambore, specially visited the spot to catch her mighty and royal moose. She was best known for her act of bravery and expanding her territory by defending the other tigers of Ranthambore. Kachida Valley is the, we can see the Kachida Valley in location we can, or photograph we can see this area is the Kachida Valley. It's a very beautiful or natural place. Kachida Valley is the located in the outskirts of the reserve to be a different outskirts and low hills. To tourists can make the good excursion through jeep safari to explore the region of the Kachida Valley. This is the only location where panther population of Ranthambore National Park is found, as they avoid wandering in the main area of the jungle. So they would not induce into and kind of conflicts with tiger beside. Bear are also found in good number of here. So this is the only area we can see the panther area, or we can see the panther location. Jogi Mahal, we can see the background area. Jogi Mahal, the Jogi Mahal is actually fort which is recognized among the must-watch place in the Ranthambore National Park. So we can, if we think visit the Ranthambore National Park, we can also visit it by the Jogi Mahal. Jaipur, nearby the place of the visited Jaipur. This we can see the pink city of this Jaipur. The most popular tourism spot. Most of the national park are internationally tourist. Most of the national and internationally tourist. Jaipur, the capital city of the Rajasthan, attract the tremendous people for the magnanimous आर्किटेक्चरल. ओके, वहाँ का जो मतलब जो आर्किटेक्चर है वो एकदम से मतलब इन वी कैन सी द गुजरात इन रजवाड़ा. दिस इज द महल टाइप जो वहाँ का जो आर्किटेक्चर है वो है. ओके, स्प्लेंडरस लाइक द सिटी प्लेस, और वी कैन सी लाइक द महल, जहाल महल, हवा महल, अंबर पोर्ट, Nahargarh Fort, and more. Actually, at the 180 km by road from the Ranthambore, Jaipur, and the perfect land, you can make a great excursion for a chance. The tourist can also explore colorful culture and traditional to get the closer to incredible India. Agra is the best example, or sorry, best place whose name immediately reminds you of the Taj Mahal, has always attracted tourists in the large number throughout the world. Trip, a trip to Taj Mahal will taking an India tours is the most for all, since it is the embodiment of Mughal architecture in India. The symbol of love is located almost 247 km from the Ranthambore Tiger Reserve. So, if anybody want to spend some romantic moments with his and her companions, Agra is the best answer for them. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is the best or famous bird sanctuary are there. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary at another charming place for the wildlife lovers and for the who's understand in meaning the complete wildlife tours in India. Bharatpur is the land of the bird explore around the 400 to 600 different species of the birds. That's why we can see the very good birds population are there. Perfectly called a paradise for the ornithologist. But the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is around 237 km away from the Ranthambore, and it is the best place to find the great migratory counts of avian during winter and the perfect sanctuary in the famous Siberian crane. So, if we think to visit the Ranthambore National Park, we can see the tiger, leopard, striped rhinos, sambar. It is a mammals diversity are there. So, leopard, tiger is a carnivore. Striped rhinos is a major carnivores are there. So, in we can discuss in our lecture. We can some ornithologist famous ornithologist means bird watcher also we visited this national park, and some wildlife photographer visited. Best visit time is the uh, summer, because of the summer. In the summer some animals go to the water spot. That's why they easily spot the big animals. So in background we can see the natural habitat of the Ranthambore National Park. Some ponds are there in some reservoirs in the some sambar, some chitals, tiger, elephants. We can see the tiger, leopard, striped rhino, sambar, deer, chital, nilgai, common or Hanuman langurs, macaws, jackals, jungle cat, caracals, sloth bears, blackbuck, rufous tail hare, Indian wild boar, chinkara, common plum civet or toddy cat, common yellow bats, desert cat, etc. famous for the duration of the tiger. So we can if in our exam is describe in detail the Ranthambore National Park, so we can write down this and this the all the animal name of the biodiversity of the mammals diversity are there. In the avian biodiversity also are there. In 273 272 species have documented, and we can also write down this one. We can also write down the Ranthambore National Park in the 40 species of the mammal. Listen, 40 species of the mammals, okay? 320 species of the birds, 40 species of the reptiles, 2 amphibian species, 50 species of the butterfly, and 300 species of the plants. So it is the brief 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 diversity or we can say the diversity of the Ranthambore National Park. So if write down in exam. So this part of the main portion. This is safari timing. This is the diversity of birds, mammals, carnivores. Best visit time to November to March is tourist season. That's why we can visit. And photographer for summer. This is the photographer visit at the time, summer time. And by reach by air, rail, and road. Okay, this is the best place to visit: Ranthambore Fort, Kachida Valley, Jogi Mahal, Jaipur. Jaipur is the pink city. Agra, Taj Mahal area, and this is the best for the faunal diversity. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, and Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is the famous for the bird. We can see in the background some crane at there, and this is famous for the crane. ठीक है, some pelicans we can see in the background. This is the photographs of the Bharatpur bird sanctuary. Okay, and 400 to 600 different species in India, perfectly called the पैराडाइज फॉर द ऑर्निथोलॉजिस्ट. यहाँ पे क्या किया गया, जो ऑर्निथोलॉजिस्ट है उसके लिए ये पैराडाइज है. वहाँ पे सारी बर्ड्स की स्पीसीज वी कैन सी देयर. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर द listening, and thank you for the watching my lecture. If you like this lecture, subscribe my